Kinesiology at Lighthouse is focused on proper spinal biomechanics, posture, and the foundational movement patterns that allow you to train and perform at a higher level with strength and confidence. We're clear to point out that not all of our clients are training for a triathlon or ultramarathon. Most of our clients are moms and dads, brothers and sisters who are looking to be at their best. That could be at the gym or in the garden, or just trying to keep up with a growing active family. Our kinesiologists are guided by evidence-based science that supports the whole individual, not just your current condition. When working with an individual that's also utilizing chiropractic and massage at Lighthouse, our kinesiologists have conversations about your case with the other practitioners, so we're all on the same page in your recovery. So whether it's cleaning up some movement patterns that are blocking your training, or you're actually recovering from a work or car accident, our kinesiologists will work with you so you can recover faster and get better results so that you can get back to the life you love.